Yo, what's going on? My name's Fiji. I'm a dance instructor that teaches house dance. In this video, I'd like to share with you a basic house dance step. No time to waste, let's get into it. The step that we're going to be doing in this video is the Pas de Bourree. It's one of the more basic steps in the house dance vocabulary, and it's a good step to kind of practice, refine, and it actually opens up a lot of possibilities for other steps, other concepts, and other combinations. Alright, so first thing you want to do when you're doing this step, the way you initiate it is you're going to go 1. Notice how my legs are crossed. Okay, so that's just 1. Bring your legs together and step out on 2. Okay, so it's going to go 1 and 2. Alright, so going to the right, 1 and 2. Now mirroring it, when you go to your left, you're going to go 3, which is the cross. Bring your feet together and step out on 4. Okay, and then going to the right, alternating again, you're going to repeat, cross, bring your feet together, step out on 6, okay? Going to the left again, you're going to cross, bring your feet together, step out here, okay? And that last one should be an 8 count, okay? So now we're going to do a full 8 count, okay? A little bit faster. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so now let me do it facing this way. Might be a little easier for you to follow. Okay, so going to the right, we're going to go cross and out, cross and out, cross and out, cross and out. Okay, now let's try it with counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Even faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now I'm going to freestyle using only Pas de Bourree and some of the variations that I've just shown you. Alright? And might be some new stuff in there too. So here it is. next tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more content. Much love and gratitude, I'll see you in the next video.